one. I'm here in front of this brand new building, 2436 North Hancock Street. It is a beautiful, quiet residential area. As you could see, there are plenty of new construction. It's beautiful, quiet, and the location is the building is located between Cumberland and York Street on Hancock. This is a building I'm about to show you. The building has 2 units. The unit right now, the available unit right now is a 3-bed, 3-bath. This is the outside space. It's very, very quiet. Beautiful, nice area. After saying this about the outside space, I walk into the building to show you what the inside looks like. Here you have your secure door, the first front door. You need to have a padlock code to get in. Then after you get in, the unit 1 is this. This is a vestibule. You have your mailbox here. There are 2 units here. The unit I'm about to show you is the first one. Let's go to the unit 1. Okay, here I am inside the unit 1, where you find this beautiful hardwood floor, very high ceiling. First thing you will see as you walk in through the front door of the unit is your full bath. You have a nice, beautiful tile floor. You have a vanity, toilet. You do also have bathtub and shower combo. This beautiful tile wall. It is a nice size bathroom. It is view from the side. As you go out of the bathroom, on your left is your first bedroom. On your right is your living space. So let's go to the first bedroom here. This is a bedroom. As you could see, it has a recessed light, a beautiful hardwood floor, and a huge, a huge window for a natural light. As you could see, the place gets a lot of natural light here. Over there, at this corner, you have a nice size closet space. Nice. You'll be looking out through the window to Hancock Street. So as walking to the inside, first place you will find is this beautiful kitchen. You have a pendant light here, upgraded countertop, a dishwasher, range, a refrigerator, all stainless steel appliances, and plenty of cabinet space. You also have a built-in microwave and also a garbage disposal. This is a beautiful, beautiful spot for your dining. You also have an island. You can set your chairs here and entertain your guests or yourself. Next is this space, your dining space. As you could see, you have this huge window for a natural light. It's recessed light throughout the house, and you have a beautiful patio here. This is the view. You have a door that takes you to the patio. I'm gonna open this and show you the outside. Here is the patio. Nicely constructed building. It's fenced for your privacy. This is a space, beautiful space. Going back to the unit, you have two bedroom and two full baths in the lower floor. Over there, you also have plenty of storage cabinet. All right, going down to the lower, the next level is the lower level. The first space you see here, your HVAC system closet. The place has a central heat and a central air. It's controllable from the unit to make it yourself comfortable. Here you have your thermostat for the lower level. Okay, this is the first bedroom. As you could see, you have a nice space, a window, beautiful window. This is the space, and in this bedroom you have a full bath. It's a tile floor throughout this floor, and it's similar in your bathroom. Similar vanity here. You have a toilet. You also have a stall shower. Nice stall shower. Beautifully constructed house. It's almost a brand new place. This is your closet for your clothes. You also have additional closet space, but it's just not to store plenty of items, but just for minor stuff. You could have this space also in your bedroom. You have your sprinkler system in here. Next is the back bedroom. Before we get to the bedroom, on your left hand side here, you have your laundry machine, stocked up laundry machine, almost brand new. I'm sorry, it's a little bit darker here because the power is off. Once the tenant moves in, the utility will be under their name and they will have a power, and you will see everything clearly, especially in the hallway. You have plenty of natural light, but it would have been much better if we do have a power on. This is the last bedroom. It's big in space, nice size. Here you have two huge windows for your natural light. The tenant just moved out, so the landlord is turning the place. Now you could see some of the patios still sparkle because they are going to do painting very soon. And in this bedroom, you have a full bath again. Full bath, as you can see, similar vanity, beautiful tile floor. It's your toilet and it's a stall shower. This bathroom actually is, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the biggest. The bedroom is big, and the bathroom as well is big. So the next to the bathroom, here in this unit, in this bedroom, you have this nice size closet space. All right, I just showed you a 3-bed, 3-bath house at 2436 North Hancock Street. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the house. Thank you for watching. This is the lower floor, as I said earlier. Going up to the second floor, the upper level, where you have one bed, one full bath. Beautiful, beautiful, brand new building.